Hello guys, so in this video I'll be tackling advanced query selections. So first, I'll be using by the way, I'll be using the Lead Gen Business SQL. You can download this SQL on the LMS site. So our problem here is we want to display all the websites owned by each client. So if we look at the client, so we have here 10 clients, and then we look at all the sites. Oops, sites. Okay, F9. There we have 25 sites. So our problem again is display all the websites owned by each client. So first, we'll type select, and then T1, because I'll name the sites table as T1 afterwards. So T1 dot, so we want the website, so domain name, so you'll see it here. This is the site's the domain name, domain underscore name, and then we put a name for it as website. And then what else we need? We'll need names of each client. So for the names, we have the first name and the last name of each client. So I'll name the clients table as T2 afterwards. So T2, then first name space as first name, and then we'll get the last name, T2 dot last name as last name. Okay, so next, from which table, so first we'll, since we selected first the domain name, so from sites as T1. Then let's join the clients table, so left join clients as T2. So we'll name the clients table as T2 on T1 that client ID is equal to T2 that client ID. So this is where the two tables will join. So they have a common field named client ID. Okay, so that's about it. And then let's order them by T2 dot client ID, and then semicolon, and then just put the cursor inside the SQL statement and then press F9. Oops, I think we have an error here. T2 dot client's ID. Okay, so let's just remove the S, then press F9. So we have executed it. So you'll see that Michael Choi has 3 websites: YouTube, assignmentworld.com, market, so on. So you'll see that all the owners have multiple websites. Okay, next, let's try to use concat. The purpose of concat is you can concatenate two or more fields. So for this example, let's concatenate the name. So let's just make this as one field when we display it. So almost the same. Let's type here. Let's just type it here. So select T1 dot domain name then space as website, website, oops, website, okay, comma, and then let's concatenate the first name and then the last name. So how to use it is type concat, and then the first field you want to join, so first name, comma, the second field name. So we will be concatenating the first name and then the last name, then as I forget, when you concat, make sure that you include spaces between the two fields, because by default it has no space. So I'll just add a space between the two fields. So as let's name it owner's website, owner's name. Okay, so that's it, and then let's just copy this. So almost the same query. We just added the concat. So let's check it. T1 domain name as website, concat first name space last name as owner's name. So this means that there are only two fields to be displayed, the website and then the owner's name. From sites, which is domain name T1, left join clients. Okay, so that's it. Then put the cursor inside, press F9. So we'll see that YouTube Michael Choi has been concatenated. Simon World Michael Choi, so almost the same, except that the first name and then the last name has been concatenated. So now, in a more advanced sense, let's put group concat. So the group concat will concat several websites. Our goal here is to, let's say our goal is to display all the websites owned by Michael Choi in just one line. So that's our goal. So for the group concat, let's say select, oops, forget, select okay, so select, oops, concat. Let's first display the name. So select concat first name, oops, first name, comma, and then the space, comma, last oops, so last underscore name and then as so let's just name it owner's website again, owner's name, I should say owner's name, and then owner's name, comma, and then here we'll type group concat. So what field are we going to group concat? So just the same T1 that domain name, and then type separator, and then what separator are we going to use? So for this example, I'm going to use a comma separator. And then I forgot about this, wait, I should have put T2 dot and then T2 dot. Okay, so group concat, and then as what name are we going to use, what field name? So let's just use website, and then from sites as T1 left join clients as T2 on T1 that client ID is equal to T2 that client ID, and then as I've said a while ago, I'm just going to display all the websites which is owned by Michael Choi. So Michael Choi is, I think, client ID number 1. So we're where T2 that client ID is equal to 1 semicolon, and then press F9. So here we go. So the group concat works this way. So Michael Choi has been concatenated, and then group concat all the websites market.com, comma, this is the separator, youtube.com, comma, assignmentworld.com. So I hope you understood some things about advanced SQL query, and that's it for now. Thank you.